Yo, what is up, Dingoes? It's Cosmic Dingo. And today I'm gonna be playing Don't Press the Button 4, but I'm gonna try to press it literally every single time. Cause like, why not? Right? I hope I'm not making a terrible mistake. Wait, what? What's happening? Oh, wait, I have chocolate milk? This is already... Oh my god, let me turn the volume down. If I already have a chocolate milk, this is already my favorite game. Like... What door? Oh. Should I be scared? Oh! Oh my god! Where do we go? No, 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 no. No, he's coming after me. Help, 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 help. I'm literally gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm going to die. Help! Somebody! Please, 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 please. Only 6 more seconds. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Yes, kill him. Bro, he's a one-tap. Bro, so bad, so bad. Alright, click it, click it, click it. That's so unfair. Oh, wow, a storm. Ooh, coins. Do I get, like, Robux? Click it. Reach the... Oh. What? That's crazy. Okay, it's also drop here. Boom. Oh my god, I'm so good. Boom. Oh my god, are you serious? Oh my god. So dumb. Oh, I've done this one before. I just need to get on the ceiling, right? Or this thing, right? Where are all the fireworks? What? Bro, how do you have one? Dude, what? I just want to fire one firework. If I can just fire one, I'll be good. Set. Well, people are... Bro, who are you? Bro, oh, yes, firework, firework. Haha. Yo, ain't no way. Yo, another? Bro, I'm going crazy. Come on, come on. Yes, firework. No! You little... Oh my god. Bro, he... Yes, another firework. Haha. Oh my god, is that another firework? Was there another... Oh. Oh. Ah! Ah! Wrong luck. Okay. Bro, this is so easy! What the... I didn't know it did that. Bro, I don't need checkpoints. I'm gonna do it without checkpoints. Psych. Bro, do I go this way? Bro, I only get +5. Bro, what? What? That's so dumb. Bro, where do I go? Where do I go? Oh. What? What? Oh my god. I swear if I don't do this, I'm gonna be so triggered. Okay. Aha. Easy, easy. Noobs. I'm lucky. Come on, bruh. So unfair. Is that pink? Okay. I'm literally a master at this. Trust me. Bro, that guy's gonna die. That guy, those people are, oh. How did she almost die? Right here, right here, right here. Please, 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 please. What? How did he survive? Bro, we can... Ain't no way he survives. Okay. I know I could have gone on that one. But I want... Bro, what is she doing? What? How in the heck? Oh, this one's easy. I like this one. Oh, you keep looking around and see that? He's gonna fix that one. It's gonna be on these... Bro, come on the window. Oh, here's one. Boom. Oh, you get plus one coin? I didn't know that. Let's go. Come on, there's one right there. What are you guys doing? Y'all are so goofy. Bro. Repair it. Bro, what are you guys doing? Oh, I got this, I got this, I got this, guys. I got this. I'm just cracked. Bro, there's one right there that you just left. I guess. Aha, I saw that. Get it! Oh my god, these people are throwing. Oh my god, bro. Ain't no way we're gonna repair this all. Just get up. I don't care if these people die. What? Why can't I get up? Oh, okay. As long as... What? Oh, that's so easy. How do you die? Oh, it's still rolling? Click, click, click. Got that. Ah! Oh. You see, I'm a button presser, bro. Let's go. Bro, how's that guy small? Oh my god. This guy's annoying. I'm gonna stand on it. Ha! Can't click the button, can you? This is the longest time I've seen somebody not click the button. I could just stand here. Yo, I can click it right now. Bro, what if I just stand here? I'll be nice. Who's Jack? Oh my god. Excuse me. Oh my god. He's gonna kill me. Yo, I knew I could climb that. How are people up there? What? How are people up there? I gotta hide. Hide. Bro, I swear it could kill me. Yo, I have a juke, right? You go down, right? You go down, then down, back up, ooh, then down again, ooh. And then you climb back up, ooh. He'll never see it coming. Or even, oh, I'm so good. Bro, I'm such a good button presser. I'm house 30. Where's 30? Swear to God, bro. Where's house 30? Oh my god. Can I just eat the pizza? That'd be epic. Where is house 30? Oh my god, I'm gonna lose. Oh my god. There is no house 30. I knew it. Bro, there is no house 30. There was no house 30. That's literally not it. Oh! What the heck? Oh my god. Bro, that guy's the button presser? Wait, what? What did I just do? What? I'm gonna land on the button. Bro, I love my chocolate milk. Subscribe for chocolate milk. Or I'm gonna drink it all now. Do it. Trust. No scam.